Well, I'm here to give you a declutter challenge. अभी खत्म हो रहा है 2024 and we are going to enter 2025. I've been practicing this like every quarter this year and I thought why not? I already have like my notes right here for you. So I have like a declutter challenge for you guys because you know जब आप आपका दिमाग declutter करते हो और आपका स्पेस जहाँ पे आप रहते हो उसको declutter करते हो, the vibe just changes. You feel good about everything. You want to be more productive. जब बहुत सारा गंदा होता है and your mind is also full, then you kind of become lazy or you become sad or you don't want to do anything. You just sleep around. And yeah, this is exactly what I did. And then I made it a point to declutter and give my mind and my space decluttering every quarterly this year. And it really helped. So let me just quickly start. So, my first thing for you is organize your computer desktop, delete all the unused files and folder. Now basically आपको क्या करना है, आपके पास आपका एक डेस्क होगा राइट, जिधर आप आपका लैपटॉप या पीसी यूज़ करते हो. All I want you to do is take time out today, tomorrow, this week and clean that space. Take a cloth, clean that space, and then open your desktop or your PC and see what are the files that you don't use. Just throw that off. Do not keep so much of unwanted files in there because जब आप न्यू ईयर में जाओगे तो आपका माइंडसेट है दैट यू वांट एवरीथिंग न्यू राइट. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर पीसी इज क्लीन, मेक श्योर दैट everything is organized in your PC and everything is organized in your study table or your PC table because it is going to change. I know ये बहुत silly sound कर रहा होगा, बस एक बार बस करके देखो and especially go to that download वाला folder. उधर तो भर के चीज़ें होंगे that you don't even want to use and then पता चला फर्स्ट जनवरी को पॉपअप आया that your PC is full and then you're irritated because your year have started like that. So before the year starts, declutter everything and just keep everything tidy and clean. So next up is donate the clothes you don't wear any longer. ये मैंने ये year में इतना किया. I've just given the clothes off to all the needy. I've like just given it off. It's like New Year aa raha hai, Christmas aa raha hai, so you tend to buy a lot of clothes and it is just going to be there in your closet or in your cupboard, right? So all I'm saying is just get all the unused clothes. एक दिन बैठो, remove all the outfits, just see if you wear it, keep it. If you don't, just put it in a bag and give it off. When you see your cupboard tidy, the mindset is going to shift and you are going to feel so much better and calmer. I'm telling you, I've done this year and it has been truly great and I really want you all to do this. It is a game changer. Trust me, do that, okay? Next one is ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ फन. सो है ना, मेरे पास एक फुल ऑन ड्रॉअर है जिधर मैं सब अपना खाने का रखता हूँ. माइंड दिस ईयर लकीली हैव नॉट बीन एनी जंक. तो आपके पास होगा ना कि आप पास्ताज एंड मैगीज एंड देन बहुत सारा पैकेट प्रोसेस फूड रखते होगे एक ड्रॉअर में. गो देयर, चेक कि यार ये एक्सपायर तो नहीं हो गया बिकॉज मैंने इतने सारे फूड लास्ट ईयर मेरे थ्रो किए थे बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट आई वाज नॉट ईटिंग जंक. तो सब मैगी के पैकेट्स, पास्ता के पैकेट्स चले गए जो रेडी टू मेक पैकेट्स आते हैं. सो आई वांट यू टू गो चेक योर ड्रॉअर, अरेंज इट सिस्टमैटिकली, चेक इफ इट इज़ एक्सपायर्ड बिकॉज आई नो होगा ही कुछ ना कुछ. एंड whatever you think you would need in the coming year, refill it and just make it look good. If you want to get organizers, get it from Amazon. Organize your cheat diet or a cheat meal and keep it in there because we need to declutter things because then it is going to help you so much. So do that. Okay, so next up is, oh, this is again fun. This is like to go and unsubscribe to all the notification that comes on your email. Now this is so irritating. गलती से कुछ सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं and then you keep on getting so many emails, फिर आपका email full हो जाता है, then it is so irritating. So again, if you are someone who likes your email to be organized like I do, I मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू गो टू माई ईमेल एंड अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे मैंने अगर फॉर एग्जांपल लाइफस्टाइल से कुछ कपड़े लिए होंगे और मैंने ईमेल एड्रेस दे दिया है उनको एंड दे आर जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली सेंडिंग मी नोटिफिकेशन अबाउट द सेल एंड एवरीथिंग, आई जस्ट गो एंड अनसब्सक्राइब बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गेट एनी नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम दैट. आई जस्ट गो एंड डिलीट एवरीथिंग सो दैट आई हैव इनफ स्पेस एंड वो अलर्ट मैसेज नहीं आए कि यार आपका ईमेल फुल है, आपके पास स्टोरेज नहीं है. देन इट एक्चुअली पिसेस अस ऑफ एंड यू नो द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज ये सब मैसेजेस तभी आते हैं व्हेन यू हैव लाइक chaotic डे और व्हेन यू हैव एन हेक्टिक डे एंड यू वांट टू गेट समथिंग आउट ऑफ योर सिस्टम एंड ये पॉप अप हो जाता है एंड देन लीव दैट असाइड एंड देन यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू clean your PC. So before the year ends, just get that done. It is going to help you. You understood that? So चलो next पे जाते हैं. हाँ. Oh yeah, so this is like sort your digital photos and organize them. So what I do is every time we are on a trip or if there's an event or we've gone out, what I do is I come back and I honestly do that, okay? I come back, मैं मेरे फ़ोन से जितने भी फ़ोटोज़ है, I transfer it to my PC, I make like a folder. Like for example, we did a road trip. The road trip, वो भी मैंने लिखा है, like Pune to Goa, Goa to मैंगलोर, मैंगलोर टू केरला, केरला टू कन्याकुमारी. मैंने ऐसे फ़ोल्डर्स बनाए हैं एंड इन दैट आई हैव पुट माय फ़ोटोज़ सो दैट इट इज़ ईज़ियर फॉर मी टू गो बैक एंड चेक. बट बिकॉज़ माय प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि मेरे फ़ोन में इतने फ़ोटोज़ होते हैं दैट इट गेट्स सो डिफ़िकल्ट एंड आई डोंट लाइक सो मच ऑफ क्लटर बिकॉज़ इट इज़ सो कन्फ्यूजन कि यार है किधर? एंड इवेंचुअली क्या होता है पता है? थोड़े टाइम के बाद जब वो स्टोरेज फुल आता है तो आप सारे फ़ोटोज़ डिलीट कर देते हो बिकॉज़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एंड यू आर लाइक यार मेमोरीज तो गए एंड यू कांट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज यू आर सो एफ्ड अप इन योर हेड दैट यू आर लाइक delete कर दो. So what I do is when I come back from a trip, I take about an hour or two, systematically sit on my system, systematically I make a folder and I transfer all the pictures. Even if I go for a birthday party and I have few pictures, I make it a folder. 5 photos होने दो, 10 photos होने दो या 10,000 photos होने दो. I'm just going to transfer it and then I can delete the pictures and I'm ready for my next trip. I don't know कि next trip कब है. Still, my phone is all clear and decluttered, and I feel so good about it because the phone is good. So you also have to do that so that last minute में आप आपके memories erase नहीं करो. Please do it and you're going to feel so good. Trust me. हाँ, okay, coming to phones, you should also go back to your phone and delete all the apps that are unnecessary. Sit down and see क्योंकि हम over the period इतनी चीज़ें डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं और स्टोरेज फुल कर देते हैं and these apps are not even necessary. I have like so many Astro apps on my phone, then I've got so many shopping apps on my phone, then I've got some unnecessary editing apps on my phone, so that I also have to do it. So we'll do it together. So I all I want you to do is just open your phone while I'm talking to you and एक्चुअली वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद ही देख लो, नहीं तो फिर आपका मर्ज़ी पॉज़ करो और टेक योर फ़ोन, go through it and then delete what you don't want and keep your phone clean so that your life also is clean. Got it? Okay, the next step is clean your bag. Now, if you carry a backpack or if you carry a handbag or if you carry any bag, टेक टाइम आउट, रिमूव एवरीथिंग, पुट दैट बैक फॉर वॉश बिकॉज़ ये साल भर में तो एक बार भी वॉश किया होगा नहीं ना? किया है? नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ वॉश करो एंड देन सिस्टमैटिकली पुट एवरीथिंग इनसाइड. पेपर्स होंगे, वेफर्स होंगे, पैकेट्स होंगे, क्या-क्या नहीं होगा. देयर विल बी सम टिकट्स दैट यू वुड सी, देयर वुड बी पार्किंग लॉट टिकट्स, सो देयर आर गोइंग टू बी फूड आइटम्स इन देयर. होता ही है ना, तो उसको क्लीन करो, क्लीन एवरीथिंग, क्लीन योर बैग एंड make your life clean, man. it has to be done because we are going to a new year and I want you to do it right now and do not wait for the year to come, please. Okay, so that was cleaning your bag. And then next up is, okay, so this is a fun thing. Okay, so what I want you to do is just go to your dressing table, and there are going to be a lot of products in there. Take a bag, like a polythene bag which you have to discard. Take that bag, look at that product or look at that something, and think for 5 seconds if you want it and what are you going to do with it. And if you don't have the answer, discard it. That's the best way to do it. जब आप कोई एक item देखते हो, for example this pencil, okay, I see this and like, do I need this? And I'm like, yeah, I need to make notes and everything, which means yes, I need this, right? Now for example, I've got this thing right here. It's here. See? Do I need this? No, just throw it off. Exactly like that. Take 5 seconds. अगर आपके दिमाग में थॉट आता है कि ये क्यों यूज करोगे आप, then it is yours. If not, just discard it. That is the best way to actually remove all the unnecessary stuff from your house. And just it's like detoxification. It's like cleaning your mind and cleaning your house and cleaning your soul. So yes, do that. Okay, that's a fun thing. And last one, yeah, this is the last one. Sit down, extremely important. Sit down, एक book or pen ले लो, book या pencil ले लो, and just write down all the negative thoughts you have at the moment, like anything negative. Just sit down and just keep on writing of all the negative thoughts that you have. And then you know what you have to do? Don't do anything actually, just write it down and leave it. You're gonna feel so good about it. Like it will be like you're just venting out your thoughts, you're venting out your negative feelings that you have, even the minor of things. Just write it down, and if you want to burn it, or if you just want to throw it in the dustbin, throw it. But just write down all the negative things that you are thinking as silly as possible, and it is just going to help you remove that thing from your mind. It is so important. It's a crazy but yet a beautiful exercise to do. Whenever you feel frustrated, it is always good to write it down, because you know what happens if you don't do that. You're going to put in that frustration either on yourself or on someone else, and that could be also your partner, it could be also your family, your friends, or your colleagues, or maybe a stranger जिसका लाइफ या मोमेंट आप वो टाइम के लिए खराब कर दोगे. So don't do that. If it's your problem, you need to figure it out how you come out of it. So it's extremely important to pen your thoughts down, all your negative feelings, so that you feel seen from inside and you enter the year with a lot of love and gratitude. So yes, with that, I really hope this made sense. I just had a thought, I had written some points, and I thought, why not just come and speak my heart out. And yes, with that, let's end this video. If you have some more tips on how you declutter your things to make you feel easy and good and productive, put that in the comments. I would love to read it and we can little bit chat there. So yes, with that, let's end this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.